When you start Temos for the first time, the system settings window opens automatically. Select your hardware from the list. If you want to get familiar with Temos without real instrument hardware, you can choose the sound card. Open the setup screen. Select the scan rate. This is the acquisition rate in samples per seconds per channel. Select the block size in seconds. A smaller block size will result in more fluent displays, but will cause a higher CPU load. A value of 100 milliseconds should be a good compromise. Now edit the channel names so that you can easily identify the channels later. Besides the names, you also can edit the short name of each channel. Now let's enter the physical unit. Our microphones will pick pascals. You can choose your preferred channel color if you wish. Next, we set up the channel scaling. Most sensors come with a calibration sheet from where you can read the sensor's sensitivity. Enter this value here. Besides linear scaling, you also can set up table scaling and polynomial scaling. Now we have finished the setup, so we can close the setup screen. In order to see our configured channels, we open one of the apps. Let us select a strip chart recorder. Drag and drop it onto the workspace to get a chart recorder as a separate window. Click the gear button of the chart recorder to open its own setup area and click once again on the vertical button to open the channel selector. Hold the control button and click to selected multiple channels. Now we can close the setup area. The measurement is started with the start button or F4. Use the mouse wheel to zoom the time axis in and out. If you hold the control button while scrolling the mouse wheel, you will zoom the y-axis. To stop the measurement, press the stop button or F5. The chart recorder window can be closed at any time, also during the measurement. Well, that was your first measurement with Temos.